This is the Samsung Galaxy M56 5G, a premium mid-ranger that promises ultra-slim design, powerful performance, and a high-level photography experience. Will it stand out in the competitive 2025 smartphone market? Let's break down all the specifications and discover if it deserves a place in your pocket. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy M56 5G impresses right away with its just 7.2mm thickness, 30% slimmer than the previous generation, and weighing only 180 grams. The premium construction features glass on the back and a metal-finished camera module that adds a touch of sophistication. And it's not just any glass. Both front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, Samsung's most resistant protection for this price range. Available in light green and black, the M56 5G combines elegance with everyday durability. For the display, we have a spectacular 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel with full HD Plus resolution that delivers vibrant colors and perfect blacks. The differentiator is the 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring super smooth navigation when scrolling through feeds and even in compatible games. With Vision Booster technology, brightness reaches an impressive 1200 nits, ideal for use under strong sunlight. The Infinity O cutout for the camera is discreet and allows for approximately 89% screen-to-body ratio. Practically the entire front of the device is screen. Inside, the Galaxy M56 5G comes equipped with the powerful Exynos 1480 processor, manufactured on a 4nm process, delivering top-tier performance for this price range. The AMD XTech 530 GPU handles graphics with plenty of power for demanding games like PUBG and Genshin Impact. It comes with 8GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM, with options for 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, expandable via microSD. And to keep everything running without overheating, Samsung included a vapor chamber 33% larger than the previous model, perfect for long gaming sessions or multitasking. The system runs Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 interface, known for its intelligent features and high customization. And there's more. Samsung promises an incredible 6 generations of Android updates and 6 years of security patches, practically double what competitors offer. The M56 also brings AI features like Object Eraser to remove unwanted elements from photos, Image Clipper, and intelligent editing suggestions. For cameras, we have an impressive triple setup. The 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization captures sharp photos even in motion or low light. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide with f2.2 aperture is perfect for landscapes and group photos, while the 2-megapixel macro lens allows detailed close-up shots. Nightography technology significantly improves night photos, and you can record 4K videos with 10-bit HDR support on both the rear camera and the 12-megapixel front camera, ideal for content creators. The battery is another strong point. 5,000 mAh that easily lasts a full day of intensive use. It supports 45-watt superfast charge 2.0, which promises to recharge the device quickly. But a heads up, the charger doesn't come in the box following the market trend. For connectivity, we have full 5G support, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for contactless payments. The fingerprint sensor is now under the display with fast and accurate response. It's a shame there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but the audio experience via USB-C or Bluetooth is quality. The Galaxy M56 5G hits the Indian market at 27,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB version and 30,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB version. It will be available from April 23rd on Amazon and Samsung's official website. This Samsung is ideal for those looking for a premium mid-range smartphone with slim design, excellent display, consistent performance, and a versatile camera setup. The commitment to 6 years of updates makes the investment even more attractive for those thinking long-term. If you like the Galaxy M56 5G, let us know in the comments if it's worth it or not. Drop a like if you're interested in this release, subscribe for more reviews, and check out our XTech WhatsApp channel for exclusive deals. Link in the description. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video.